We're making pizza dough. My name's William. I'm here at the Botanical Garden making pizza dough. All you need to make this is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. You need 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You'll also need a cup of water. Right now, I'm just putting around. You want a consistency where it sticks to itself and not your fingers.
So consistency is important, Tom.
Yeah.
Chef Dave probably taught you that one. And what are you doing?
Covering up our dough so it can rise
For how long?
for about 1 to 2 hours in the sun, and it's going to double in size probably.
Wow.
That's what it's supposed to do, at least.
Have you made this before, guys?
Yeah, we made it for pretzels.
Great, we made dough.
Thank you. Sprinkling a little bit of the cornmeal so the pizza doesn't stick. And then we're just going to flatten it out into like a rectangle today. We're going to do flatbreads.
In my belly.
And then we're going to top it with some mozzarella, some basil, and some fresh tomatoes. We're going to put all the toppings on. Yeah. Let's get it as even as we can.
I think that's kind of ready.
Yours can be a little bit thinner on that side. This is the herbs ricotta that we made yesterday for our raviolis, but now we're going to use it and put it on our pizzas for our base. And then we're going to put some fresh basil and maybe some fresh tomatoes.